Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the audio spectrum sticker and how to add the audio spectrum to your video in CapCut PC. Alright, so after you add the clip, you can go to sticker and select icons, and you can find the audio spectrum stickers. Just add to the track and you can adjust for the position. I'm going to change the scale of the clip and just for the position of the sticker and add more the same sticker. Right. Alright. Okay, go to audio and just type spectrum and appears. Option just add to the track and you can click play button to see for the result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.